So this is so insane to me. I just finished putting this thing together, and no matter what you do, it just says hello, hello, hello. It doesn't work. I went back, read some Amazon reviews. They say somewhere in the manual it says that you have to register for IFit or else the treadmill won't come on. I don't know about you guys, but I'm not gonna read through this whole thing to find, I mean, the damn company doesn't advertise that. So I found some reviews that say that if you hold the Bluetooth button, it resets it and it'll do, you know, this, that, and the other. So what I'm gonna do is try it again, but I'm gonna shut off the power first. So I unplugged it and then turned it back on. You can see it's just gonna say hello, hello. Now I'm gonna hold down the Bluetooth button for 30 seconds. Supposedly, if you do this for 30 seconds, and I don't know why Weslo would do this. I mean, talk about like a way to piss off your customers. I mean, this is just completely ridiculous. And they're right, look at that. Treadmill's firing up. I'm gonna continue to hold it down for the full 30 seconds because I've tried this like 15 times for 10 or 12 seconds and this did not work. So thank you to whoever put that in a review. This is definitely how to fix your Weslo treadmill or whatever. But the thing is that I'm wondering is this gonna work for this one session only? You know, I don't know. Is the treadmill actually gonna work? So it does work now. So I actually get to try it out, which is cool, finally. I'm gonna stop it. And then let's shut the power off. Unplug it from the wall real quick. And see if it turns back on. Oops, I just shut it off, didn't I? All right, well, thank you to whoever put that out there because it does work now. There's no way in hell that I'm gonna sign up to a $15 a month or whatever it is. I don't even wanna have to register to this in order to make the treadmill work. If they would have advertised that, I would have never bought it.